Hi, I'm Marko with Capital. You got a minute? Have you looked at the Onkyo RZ series receiver lineup with unique features for you, the custom installer? You're probably familiar with the TXNR receivers, but Onkyo released the RZ series with special features with a custom installer in mind. Things like RS-232 control, direct IR input, 12-volt trigger, detachable power cord, bi-amp capability, room tuning, and PC setup software. These models also have a 3-year warranty, a special priority tech support number, and better profit margin for your sale. Some models also have digital amplification, providing less heat for longer and better efficiency, as well as more consistent power with all channels driven, and an HDMI matrix to allow you to watch 2 sources simultaneously in 2 different zones, or strip audio from HDMI to be listened to in an audio-only second zone. Check out the full line of Onkyo TXRZ receivers on the Capital website today. And we'll see you next time on A Minute with Mike.